What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I want to show you how I earn simple commissions with the OLSP Academy system, and this is guaranteed. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you're going to earn any income with it because I don't know if you're willing to do what I'm about to show you in this video, but it works and it takes a little time, but I'm guaranteed to earn a commission when I do this the correct way. There is a certain way that you have to do this. There's a certain way that I'm doing this that is recommended by, the OLSP system. And if you don't do it correctly, then of course I can't earn, okay? But since I'm doing it the correct way, and I did it the correct way, it's proof that it actually works for me, and it works for other people who are using the OLSP system inside of this academy in order to earn, commissions online. Now, before I get into it, I want you to know these are not huge commissions. These are small commissions that can add up over time. So when you invest $7 or even $14 one time, to get access to this, then you're going to be able to earn small commissions by doing a simple task every day. And you can do this task each day, several times a day, as long as there's a link in there for you to do so. So I want you to understand that. So let's get into it right now. Let me show you how I'm earning this simple but small commission. And trust me, if you're in anything else, stick with what you're doing. This just can be something else that you want to do. And if you're not doing anything, you're looking to get started, then click the link in the description below to get started. So let's move on right now, and I'm going to show you how this works and how I'm guaranteed every time I do this to earn a small commission, which can add up over time. All right, so here I am inside of my OLSP system back office. And if you notice over here, I've earned only $121.40. It's small, but I've been in this system for a while. And once they revamped the system, I decided, hey, I'm going to check it out again. And I like the new layout. And I really believe that this is a system that can help someone, even a brand new person who, are looking to get their feet wet with affiliate marketing and get the right training that they need. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go over here to commissions, and this is the dashboard we're on now. If I go over here to commissions, which is like a little drop down menu, and I'm going to see my commissions. And if you notice here, I'm going to scroll up. You notice here 25 cents. That is guaranteed. Okay, every time I make a comment on a post on Facebook from a particular link that they give inside of the system itself here in OLSP. Now you see the other commission that I've earned here as well, but I wanted to show you how I can make guaranteed commission of 25 cents. And I know it's not a lot, but if you never made anything online, this can be the beginning for you. Okay, so let's check this out. Let's see how to do this. Okay, so if I come back over here and I go back to my dashboard, I'm going to scroll down to one of the products that I have that is called Comment Dominator. Okay, on Comment Dominator, I'm going to access that product, and it gives you the simple steps that you need to do right here to earn. Okay, click on the view link to view post to comment. The next thing you're going to do is make your comment under the post. The next thing you're going to do is comment on the comment, link in the post submitted for the approval, and you'll receive the commissions. Okay, you see I've only earned 50 cents up here using it. 2 comments made. I made another comment earlier this morning, and we're going to see the results of that one, at a later date. But this is how you do it. This is how I'm guaranteed to earn little small commission that can add up by doing simple tasks. A simple task 2 or 3 times a day, or how many times a day, as long as there's a link in here for you to do it. So let's look at how you do that right now. So the first thing you want to do is make sure, and we're going to open it up right now, make sure you have Facebook open up. You want to make sure you have it open and that you're logged in. So I'm going to log into my Facebook account. And I'm not going to do anything there. I just want to log in. That's all you have to do. And then you're going to scroll down here. Okay, you see the title here, limited time play, discover how to drive buyer traffic like a pro, December the 15th, 2023. You click here to view the post. You can flag the post if it's not a value post, if it's something promoting anything else other than OLSP in here, and then you're going to submit your comment. So let me show you exactly how to do this. Now, I want you to understand something. I do not know how to type, so it's going to be some pecking. Now, I may speed this video up, but I want you to get the gist of what I'm doing so you can see how simple this is when you click the link in the description. And I recommend that you go ahead and get the mega link and the magic link both, okay? That way you'll be able to get, you know, a few more products when you join. So what we're gonna do is I'm actually gonna click on view this post right here, which was made on December the 15th. We're gonna view it. And this is the post. Make sure you read it so you get a good understanding of what it is that it's saying, okay? Don't just go through here and skim through, and don't just make up something. Don't just put congratulations and this is a nice post and little things like that. You want to make a valuable comment on this post so when they read it, okay, on the back end, they're going to deem whether or not it's worthy or not for you to earn that 25 cents on this post or not. So let's go ahead. I'm going to speed up this process, but you know, really read this post, and I'm going to go ahead and do it right now. Now I've read this, I have an idea, plus I actually watched the replay. So I'm going to make a comment on this post. I'm going to pause this video, I'm going to type it up, and then I'll let you see the comment that I made, and then I'm going to show you the rest of how to make this work so you can just sit back and relax like I'm going to do. And hopefully, if you know they approve of it, then I will earn 25 cents for the post. So I'm going to pause this video right now. I'll be right back. All right, so I've just finished writing up my comment. I also loved it, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this right here, what I just wrote up. Going to copy it, going to click out of it, and then I'm going to go ahead on, I'm going to comment. And that's all you have to do there. You have done what you're supposed to do there. You're going to come back over to your system, and you're going to come across to submit. And I'm going to just paste in what I commented, okay? And then it's going to create. And now that post is gone, okay? What I commented on is gone. The other ones are here. Now I can go back as long as they are in here from December 12th down to November. Okay, they are in here. I can go and comment on these and earn 25 cents. Okay, as you see, like I said, 25 cents. Now, I want you to understand once again, this is not, okay, it's guaranteed that you can earn for commenting, but your comment has to mean something. It has to be a valuable comment. Don't just go on there saying, ooh, that is awesome, I love the training. You have to make a comment that is meaningful, because the people, the support inside of the OLSP system, they are going to read your comment on the post, and then they're going to make a decision whether or not you earn a commission or not. So if your post is valuable, then my post is valuable, then it's guaranteed that I can earn 25 cents, you know, per post that I, you know, per comment that I post on here. Also, there's another way, okay, that I'm guaranteed, not you, that I'm guaranteed to earn commissions, small commissions through email, which I'll create another video about that at a later date. But right now, if you think this is something you want to do so you can earn your first commission, go ahead on, click the link in the description below, get signed up. I highly recommend starting with the mega link and get your magic link as well. Okay, each product is only $7 a piece one time, and you're in. You're going to get access, and let me show you. I have upgraded, so I got access to some other thing, but you're going to get your mega link. You're going to get the list building magic link. You're going to get Facebook 101. You're going to get comment Dominator, and you're going to get the OLSP user guide and traffic challenge fast start when you pick up both the magic link and the mega link. So go ahead on, get both of those. Click the link in the description to get started. I will see you on the inside. I hope you got value from this video. I want you to have a great day today. Oh, make sure you subscribe as well. Like the video, comment, give me a thumbs up. So when you see other videos that I do, you'll be notified of those videos. Now, I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.